Week 6 Hippos showed up with a guest.
My son will be covered.
Wow.
How many does that make?
Wow.
My daughter will be covered.
Is that pretty?
My children will be covered. No matter what, my boys will be covered.
I usually turn the page.
Turn the page.
Beep beep.
Beep, beep, turn the page. Is that right? 6 Hippos showed up with a guest. They weren't even invited.
She keeps turning around.
Yeah, keeps looking at me. What is this guy doing back there? 7 Hippos
You're gonna eat them.
arrived in a sack. Whoa!
That would be a big.
Yeah, it's a big sack, kid. And 8 Hippos sneaked in the back.
Yeah, clever bunch.
It's a funny book.
Yeah,
Look at her.
yeah.
Who's making keep going?
9 Hippos came to work. And
It's a long book.
so all the Hippos
He's
go
reading again.
berserk. Oh my goodness. So what happened here now is that all through the night,
Hippo night.
Hippos played with great delight. But at the Hippo break of day, the Hippos all must go away.
Oh, it's so sad. Such a sad day.
The 9 Hippos and a beast joined 8 Hippos riding east. What?
Why?
Why?
Hey, kiddo.
7.
7 Hippos moving went westly. 6 Hippos quite distressed
Are they sad?
and in need. No?
Yeah.
And only 5 Hippos then set forth with 4.
4 left. 4 hippos.
4.
They're headed north.
Oh, they're numbered. I see what they're doing.
You got on?
4 Hippos headed north. Yes,
1, 2, 3, 4.
yes.
Where's north?
Up. You turn the page for him. He can't read it. There you go. Turn the page.
3 Hippos said,
That's where he reads
good day.
from. That's his mouth. That's where his words come from.
What?
Oh, yep, that's where his words come from. Yep. He can't talk. He can't read you the book unless you stop.
Maybe she's trying to get him to stop.
Well, that's 2 Hippos.
So you don't read this the way my mom reads it.
Oh,
there we
all
go.
done. You did it.
Here's a
Yay.
class of-
Can you clap? Can you clap? Yay. Say thank you, Grandpa. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. You too tired?
I didn't
Bedtime?
invite them, Dad. You invite them.
Say thank you. Hey, kiddo. Yeah, all done. Thank you, Grandpa.